What's up, guys? It's JamJack7070, and today we're with part 4, I think? No, I don't know, I'm lost. With, I believe, part 3 or 4 of the platformer game. And we have our Goombas so far, you can stomp on them. And we have crappy wall detection. Like, yeah, because if you go against the wall and doing that and hitting the left arrow, you just go on the wall. Actually, I think I know how to fix that. Make a new variable in the player called touching wall for this sprite only. And we're going to want to do if for both of them, if touching wall equals false. And with flag click, we're going to want to set this touching wall to false. There. And in this, we're going to want to do touching wall. Wait. It's key right arrow pressed. No, it's key left arrow pressed. Or right arrow, I guess. Oh, no, just left arrow. And then we're going to do right arrow. And the other one. So now that should work. Okay, and we're going to do at the bottom of the script, set touching wall first. Okay, that's close. Okay, it still doesn't work really, but I don't know. It works over here. I don't know. We'll do that sometime. So we're wasting time. And what were we gonna get? Death. So we're gonna go in the enemy. And we're gonna do. We wrote in the script we left blank when we're in the touching player. We're gonna do broadcast die. And in the player, when I receive die, run Y script 13. Oh no. Set Y to jump heights. And let's see if that works. You know what? No, we're just gonna let the touching wall. And we're just gonna undo all the touching wall stuff we did. Okay, good. We're gonna see die. Set Y to 13. Set a dead. We're gonna make a variable called dead, and we're gonna make it for the sprite only. We're gonna set dead to true. And we're gonna wait until. And we're gonna repeat until. Repeat until y is less than minus 191. No, minus 190. And we're going to do y position. We're going to do change y by -1 and change y by y in it. And we're going to surround both of these. No, just for x. If dead equals false. On fly click, we're going to want to set dead to false. And in the jumping, we're going to, in this whole thing which says kitchen level, we're going to want to do if dead equals false. And actually we can take these change y bys out. Just want to die. And then we're going to hide. And then we're going to broadcast. No, we're going to wait 1 second. We're going to make a block called reset player. And we're going to reset the player. And if I click, we're going to, and so we have all this stuff in the green flag click. We're just going to drag it in the reset player. And when flag click, we're going to reset player. Yes. Oh, and we can reset player show. There. Whenever you die, repeat until. And then we're going to go in the enemy, and we're going to do whenever you die, repeat until blank equals false. And we're going to make a new variable called stop movement for the sprite only. And that we're going to do set stop movement to yes. And we're going to do player player equals false. Then set stop movement to yes. And once I click set stop movement to no when going fly click. Then in the touch-in player we're going to do if stop movement equals no. And then that should work. No, it didn't. Okay, what will we kill it? You know what? I have a great idea. Delete the stop movement. Just gonna delete all this. Actually, we're gonna broadcast reset and stay in the enemy. And we're gonna make a whenever she reset. and broadcast. Actually, yeah, broadcast. Start enemy. And when 5 clicks, we're actually just going to broadcast start enemy. And instead of always being 5 clicks, we're going to set it to start enemy. So we're just going to delete all these green 5 clicks. That should be all. And leave one for to start enemy. There. Then after reset player, no, in the reset player we're gonna want start enemy. Was that thing just climbing the wall again? That is climbing the wall again. And I don't like that. No. I'm gonna go on the enemy real quick. And but why isn't this thing acting up now? Why is it doing it? No, I don't want that. I just want to work. Okay, we're just gonna leave this like this for now. After this episode, I'm just gonna see if we could if there's a way to fix this. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you in the next part.